Horses out, we've got Play the Music, Pass to Begin. In between horses now is El Bimbo, Quakers Intensity, Boarding Pass. Then followed by Dare to Dream and Security Rose. Is the early trailer, El Bimbo by Oralenka. Down on the inside, second now is Quakers Intensity. Play the Music alongside third and 2 lengths. So in fourth comes Dare to Dream, Boarding Pass and Security Rose. Is the early trailer, El Bimbo, running by the rallies, Quakers Intensity, and on the outside third, Play the Music, 2 lengths for the back in fourth, Dare to Dream, then followed by Security Rose and Boarding Pass. El Bimbo, this time by Oralenka, down on the inside still is Quakers Intensity, and on the outside, Play the Music, Dare to Dream in fourth, then comes Boarding Pass and Security Rose. El Bimbo, Dare to Dream now moving up on the outside, down on the inside third, Quakers Intensity, then here comes Play the Music, Boarding Pass, Dare to Dream by about 2 lengths, moving up on the outside now is Boarding Pass to take second, Dare to Dream by about 2.5 lengths, Boarding Pass now in second, and in third El Bimbo, but it's still Dare to Dream by Oralenka Rehapa. Boarding Pass is on the outside second, Dare to Dream still in front by Oralenka. Boarding Pass is on the outside, entering the finish line, it's Dare to Dream. Boarding Pass, then comes El Bimbo. Play the Music, Security Rose and Quakers Intensity.
Selling only 62,000.